This is a final video to fix the Hotpoint washing machine H20 error once and for all. Are you staring at your washer right now because it simply refuses to fill with water? This frustrating problem happens because your machine senses a timing issue while trying to pull in water from your home supply. Most solutions you find on YouTube or social media are way too confusing, long, or just plain hard to follow for a normal person. You are in the right place because Rexage has 4 proven methods to fix this exact problem right now. I guarantee that at least one of these 4 secrets will work for you, even if your machine seems completely broken or critical. You should pause this video immediately to try these methods one by one as they appear, or just take quick screenshots of the screen. I will not explain the technical settings or reveal the names of these steps here, but they work every single time. Use your eyes and watch the screen closely to see what to do. Rexage makes these fixes simple, so you can get back to your laundry without any more stress. Please follow the method steps one by one exactly as I show them on the screen right now.